Each day as we drive home from our jobs, we pass by hundreds of truck drivers, taxi drivers and auto drivers. Each driver has a story to tell, which we never get the chance to learn of. Perhaps they are just around the corner from home after a long day or just starting on a journey that will keep them away from their loved ones for days to perhaps weeks before returning home. All the while, such drivers endure traffic jams that we face as commuters, poor weather conditions and other challenges. Yet, these professional drivers go about their business with often little thought of from others on the roadway. Driving a truck is one of India's most demanding and essential jobs. Millions of these dedicated men and women travel the roads every day, sacrificing a lot, personally deliver the freight that keeps the country moving. They miss birthdays, anniversaries, family dinners, school plays, and many other special moments that most of us take for granted. Drivers are the wheels which keep India moving. Yet they are not given the due respect they deserve. They are often mistreated, harassed, underpaid, and overworked. After immense success of Chalak Se Malak, Driver Day is another social initiative by Siddhivinayak Logistics Limited, SVLL and Siddhivinayak Group of Companies to dedicate a day to commercial drivers all over India. By such a dedication, we aim to show them just how much they are appreciated and to thank them for their indispensable services in keeping the logistic industry afloat. Every year, 17th September will be the day when the drivers take pride in their services and celebrate their profession. We hope to add this day in the list of already existing commemorative days. Our aim is to spread awareness to as many logistic companies and commercial driver associations existing across India. Every logistic or any automobile company can contribute in their own way in making this event a very memorable day for the drivers. Client companies which make use of logistic services can help out too. We are going at great lengths to make this day a success, and for that we need your help and support. We need you to participate in this kind initiative, and together we can make it successful and reach at all India level. By taking part in the celebration of this day, you will be contributing towards the upliftment of those human resources, welfare of who is generally neglected. Let's take the time to honor all professional drivers for their hard work and commitment in tackling one of our India's most demanding and important jobs.